Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I have another similar kind of product that I have shared with you yesterday as well. Now today we have a product which doesn't remove watermark but which will remove objects. Okay, so I have previously shared a platform which can do this, but today's platform a little bit more easier and simpler in use. Okay, so that's why I want to show it to you, and let's just dive into it and let's see what we have today. Okay, so here we are at magic eraser, right? Now to try out a image I have to upload one. Okay, it's really basic simple, as you can see it here, really simple app. So let's upload one here, and this is the first time I am also trying it. Okay, so we together will judge its accuracy. Okay, so let me find something from my uh pictures gallery, like in the picture section. Let me search what I have. Suppose no, it will not work probably. Wait, I have to give it something simple first. What I should give it? Like, let's go for it. Yeah, let's go for it. Okay, so we have it. So let's try to remove this. Okay, I think it would work because this is nothing but just a simple leaf. It should work. Yeah, there is a little bit of here and there. I can use it again, right? And it's gone. And the colors are looking quite fine, I would say, because it is maintaining the vignette. Okay, now let's try another one, and let's try something difficult right now, because it was too much easy. You will also agree that it was too much easy. Okay, so let's try something really difficult. So let's take this image, but what we should remove from here, I don't know. Maybe this line. Yeah, let's see what it does, if it can do it or not. Yeah, pretty much like, yeah, it's actually usable. And if I do something over here again, uh bigar diya. So I go back to the previous one? Yes, I can undo it. Okay, let's try out portion by portion. Okay, one portion in done. Let's decrease the brush size and try out this as well. First this one. Okay, and again. Okay, it is not going now. Okay, let's click on the whole wire. Perfect. See, perfect. It can't be more perfect, right? It's looking great, and the wire is removed, right? Wow, it's really been working good. Let's try out this as well. Yeah, gone. And there's literally no difference you can see. Let's zoom it. Okay, shall we? Oh, it will not let me zoom. Okay. Okay, let me just download the piece of picture and maybe open it here. Okay. I will just drop the picture over here so you can see it as well. Okay, now let's zoom on it. And yeah, it's good, right? It's fairly good. Here we can see some artifacts, but that's fine, right? considering the image quality, and let's see if it has decreased our image quality or not. So right now we are getting 456 kb only, and the original image was of, wait, let me see it, 1.64 mb. So yeah, it has decreased its quality. That's something we are like, we have to keep it in mind while using it. Obviously it has decreased, but it's working great. To be honest, it's working really really great. It's not perfect, but it's usable, it's fairly usable, and it works like any other photo editor that you would use in your phone, or like, obviously it has done better job than Snapseed, to be honest. So yeah, that's about it about this website. I really liked it. Will I use it? Obviously, why not? I will bookmark it even. So I will obviously be using it because it's usable, it's usable. And some of the times we just need to like, we have a really really high quality image and we just need to remove something. I will obviously use it for that. With that being said, that's it for this video. That's it about this magic eraser website. Let me know if you will use it or not, and if you have any other products like this, suggest me about them in the comment section below, which are free and no sign up required. Like, I think there isn't something like this much who is providing this much of benefits, like 100% free first of all, and there is no sign up. Oh, it's great, whatever. So if anyone is doing some kind of some thing like this, or any product is like this out there, please let me know about them, as well as let me know about all of the other products as well in the comment section below. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, because subscription make a lot of difference. And recently I got 100 followers of Twitter. So thank you whoever is following me on Twitter. Love you guys. And that's it. Bye for now.